Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Deadeye PC for configuration. Connect the unit via USB-C, supply stable power, and log into an administrator account. Once done, install the latest drivers and firmware packages so communication is reliable. Make sure to back up any existing profiles and export key mappings. This prevents data loss when you write new settings. While installing, watch for driver prompts and accept device permissions so the system recognizes Deadeye without repeated prompts later. You now configure the core settings inside the Deadeye application. Start by updating firmware if prompted, then run the built-in calibration routine to align sensors and aiming axes. Next, map inputs. Assign primary buttons, toggle macros, and set profile layers for different games or workflows. Adjust polling rate, sensitivity, and smoothing in small increments, and test each change in a controlled application to verify behavior. Remember, small steps make it easier to isolate what improves accuracy versus what introduces lag. You finish by saving and exporting your final Deadeye profile and assigning load rules per game or task. Once saved, run extended real-world tests to confirm stability, monitor device temperature, CPU load, and latency to catch intermittent problems. If something goes wrong, restore the backup profile you exported, reinstall the device drivers cleanly, and repeat calibration. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see erratic input, unplug USB. Reboot the PC, then reconnect. This often clears resource conflicts and resets the device cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.